guys, it's me, Andy. So today we are back with some more string tricks, and we're going to be showing you the parachute, also known as a broom that witches will go on. Anyway, let's just get started. So you start off with your hand and then use the string. Hook it round your thumb, then your pinky. Pull it once, then pull it again. Then you go through. This is the bit where everyone gets robbed. Go through there and kind of pick that one up and bring it in the middle. And do it to the other side. Then join them together and pull. Then you'll have this shape. Now what you do is you use your middle finger to go in there, your ring finger and your index finger through the other holes. Just pull it back. Now you have this bit. You pull this string and voila! You've done the parachute. So guys, now we are done with the trick. And you guys are going to subscribe and like and comment and turn the notifications on, aren't you? Yeah, you are. To all my newest videos. So, I'll see you guys soon. Bye! By the way, make sure you go get your mum and dad to go to like Hobbycraft or anything. Just get some string for you and then you can learn them yourself. Bye!